going to be reviewing my little fire belt kit that I usually keep on me when I'm out in the woods. Not all the time, but I usually have this right here. So I'm going to angle the camera down real quick and we'll look at it. So this is what I usually carry into the woods or when I'm hiking or whatever. I had this custom made for me. I've had it for a couple of years now. It has a small ferrule rod holder right here, and then the large one right here, which is the one I usually use. So first part of the kit is the ferrule rod, and I usually carry this if I have this kit or not, just because, you know, it's a good part of the kit. Usually my fixed blade knife I'll strike with this, or my Swiss Army knife. There's an edge on the back I can strike with. And then, so that's the first part of the kit. And then I got the second part of the kit right here. It's just a Altoids tin. This is the one I don't use for char cloth, by the way. And it has some cheap emergency waterproof matches right here. I don't use these that often, but I have them just in case. I have a little bit of jute twine. This is always good just in case you can't find anything. I got some dryer lint because with my experience that works pretty good too. And then of course a little bit of bank line or cordage. And then I got a little striker at the bottom for the ferrule rod if I need to use that if I don't got anything else. And then also, this is a Vaseline cotton ball inside of tin foil. That way it doesn't get everything else messy. You can just cut an X in it, fold it up, strike it. You can usually get several fires out of that. So we'll put that back in. And this is not very stocked right now. I've used this for a long time. So that's the first one, and that goes in this side right here, guys. And then over here, this is the part that I usually use, because if I don't use a lighter, which by the way, I always have a lighter in my pocket. Sorry guys, let me get this tin out of there. This one's pretty full right now, just of what's in there. So this right here, this is the flint and steel part, the actual flint and steel. The other part was the ferrule rod, and this is the flint and steel. So, in here, this is my char tin. I got the flint, the steel, which is just like an old piece of chain or something like that. I got another one of the cotton balls, some natural cordage that I have tied up into a small thing, and then just a ton and ton of char cloth, which is probably hard to see just because it's black. But some of that stuff that I made in the last video, some of it isn't. But aside from that, guys, I don't really carry that much. I mean, I always have a lighter on me. Got the ferrule rods, flint and steel, magnifying glass, so that's usually in my bag or something like that. Yeah, and I sometimes carry fat wood, but that's pretty much all, guys. I mean, there isn't much to it. That's pretty much all I carry for fire building. I mean, occasionally I'll have something else, but, you know, that's pretty much it, and this is what it looks like. A dark brown, because that's what I like. Yeah, and that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, there's not much to this. But if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like. If you guys have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. There's going to be tons more videos like this coming up. But until next time, guys, bye.